This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Melissa Hunter. Make this your first stop as this house will not last long. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bathroom upgraded ranch with a large backyard. Upgraded kitchen and bath, large open floor plan. Updated architectural shingles on the roof less than 5 years old and luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living room. For more information, review the details below or contact Melissa Hunter at 757-672-9502.